turning a video into a dynamic lesson is easy. You can add questions anywhere in your video, so you can check comprehension and get students to engage in critical thinking.
Landscapes, fossils, planets, mathematics, laws of gravity, and many more. It comes with accessories allowing children to spell words and tell stories about games they play.
From Python to graphical programming, both adults and children can interact with. AI gesture recognition,